Exercise number 1, Jumping Jacks. Start the session strong with jumping jacks. Keep your core tight, arms moving fully, and land softly on your feet. Stay light, stay quick, and keep your rhythm steady. This move fires up your whole body and boosts your heart rate. Great way to warm up and get energized. Exercise number 2, butt kicks. Lift your heels toward your glutes while keeping your chest up and core engaged. Stay on your toes and move fast. This exercise gets your legs warm, improves mobility, and keeps your heart rate high. Stay quick and stay focused. Exercise number 3, burpees. Drop down, kick back, push up, then explode upward into a jump. Keep your movements smooth and powerful. This full body exercise builds strength, stamina, and speed. Push through and give it everything you've got. Exercise number 4, high knees. Drive your knees up to hip level, pump your arms, and keep your core tight. Stay fast on your feet and maintain a strong tempo. This move fires up your cardio and engages your core. Keep pushing. Exercise number 5, skater jump. Leap side to side, landing softly and balancing your body. Keep your core activated and your movements controlled. This exercise builds power, agility, and lower body strength. Stay steady and finish like a champion.